Chapter 2, S block elements. Introduction. The S block elements are the metals in group first A and group second A of the periodic table. They are called S block element because S orbitals are being filled in the outermost shell. The element of a group first A except hydrogen are called alkali metals, while all those of second A are named as alkaline earth metals. The name alkali metal came from Arabic, which means the ashes. The Arabs used this term for these metals because they found that ashes of plants were composed chiefly of sodium and potassium. Alkali metals include the elements lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. These are reactive metals produce strong alkaline solution with the water. The alkaline earth metals are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. They are called alkaline earth metals because they produce alkalis in water and are widely distributed in earth crust. The alkali and alkaline earth metal include the most reactive electropositive elements, and a study of their electronic configuration will help in understanding their properties. Electronic configuration of S block elements. Alkali metals. Alkali metals have only one electron in S orbital of their valence shell. All alkali metals lose their one electron for the valence shell to form monopositive ion. Because their ionization values are very low, they form ionic compound and show +1 oxidation state. The electronic configuration and some physical constants of alkali metals are given in the table. Alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal have 2 electrons in S orbital of their valence shell. All alkaline earth metals lose their electrons to form dipositive ions. Because their ionization energy values are very low, they form ionic compound and show +2 oxidation state. The electronic configuration and physical constants of alkaline earth metals are given in the table. In going down, our group of number of shell increases by 1 at each step and equal the number of a period to which element belongs. Occurrence of alkali metals. Due to high reactivity, the alkali metals occur in nature in the combined state. None of the alkali metal is found free in nature. Sodium and potassium are abundant alkali metals and each constitute about 2.4% of earth crust. Most of the earth crust is composed of insoluble silicates of alkali metals. Lithium deposits, usually in the form of complex minerals, are widely scattered over the earth. An important commercial source of lithium is the mineral spodumene. Small amounts of rubidium and cesium are found in the potassium salt deposits. Francium has not yet found in nature. It has been prepared artificially in laboratories and very unstable, so that very little is known about this metal. Occurrence of alkaline earth metals. Being very reactive, alkaline earth metals also do not occur in free state. The compounds of these metals occur widely in nature. Magnesium and calcium are very abundant in earth crust. The outer portion of the earth was originally in the form of silicates and aluminosilicates of alkaline earth metals. Magnesium and calcium with sodium and potassium are present in the rock as cations. Magnesium halides are found in sea water. Magnesium is an essential constituent of chlorophyll. Calcium phosphate and calcium fluoride, also found as mineral. Calcium is an essential constituent of many living organisms. It occurs as skeletal material in bones, teeth, seashells, and eggshells. Radium is a rare element.